What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day with the Auto Works. Today we're continuing with our Rustoleum custom mix series with a brand new spray out. I got my fender behind me. That's what we're going to be spraying today. I've cleaned it really good, sanded it down with 600 and wiped it with Prep All just to get it ready. And we're going to spray some Rustoleum, some pearls, and some flakes today. That's right, if you guys remember from a previous video, I actually did a pearls versus flake video. If you haven't seen that one already, it was a really good one. Go back and watch it. But the general consensus for that video was they wanted to see me drop the pigment load, and you guys wanted to see me mix flakes with pearls. So today, you're getting your wish. I'm a two-tone this fender, gloss black Rustoleum 2X and dark gray Rustoleum 2X. And then I'm gonna mix House of Colors Royal Blue metal flake. It's 008.008 micron, and then I got some kind of a medium to dark, almost like a Subaru Royal Rally Blue, Daytona Blue mica powder pearl, and we're gonna mix it both together, and we're gonna see what kind of results we can get over these two colors. So without further ado, let's two-tone this fender behind me, and let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so we got our Rustoleum two-tone going back there. For you Marvel fans, looks very Punisher-ish. Anyways, today we got the 4-to-1 clear. This is a junk clear. This is just for test purposes. If you want to buy any of the pearls, the guns, the clears, anything you see me using in my video, guys, I'm completely transparent. If you go down the link in my description, it says as seen on YouTube. Click on that, it takes you to my Amazon store where you can buy pretty much anything you see me use on this channel. So it's a nice 80 degrees out today, so this 4-to-1 clear is great with the medium reducer. So I'm gonna put an ounce of reducer in it. That makes it 4-to-1, so that should be good enough. And as far as pigment load goes, like I said on that previous video, I was way too heavy. I've come to find out with this stuff especially, a pinch goes a long way. So I'm gonna open up this little jar I got first. This is a new one, guys. Like I said, it's kind of a Royal Rally Blue, Daytona Blue. It's a very cool, sparkly, medium blue mica powder. So, and it's a lot of it. I think it was about, at the time of this video, about 10 bucks, but you get like a huge jar, and they slam filled it. I mean, slam filled it. Woo, okay. Anyways, so I got little spoons. I'm gonna get just a pinch. Let me get a little bit more. Yeah, just a pinch. I mean, that's, I know you guys probably can't see that, but it's literally like 2 pinches. And I'm gonna spritz it in there. I'm not even put the whole thing in there, just to be on the safe side, because I really want you guys to see this as an effect, not some crazy complete color change as it's been in past videos. So let me put this to the side. All right, that's it for the mica powder. And now the rainbow flake. Now normally this stuff would get everywhere, but I've used it for a while, so put a little bit of microflake in there, pretty much about the same as I did with the other, just a pinch, and that's going to be good. And yeah, let's mix this up, and I'll bring you guys in close so you can actually see everything in action. All right, let's get to stirring. So this is pretty cool, guys, because unlike the last video, they were both blues, but the flake and the pearl I was using were a little bit different colors, to where on this one, I think they blend a little bit better. But that's the mix for you guys. And next is loading up the gun and shooting it over this fender. Now let's see what we can get. Alright guys, so as always, I got my pearls and my flakes and everything loaded up in my V-bore gun. It's got a 1.4 tip, and I shoot at 28 PSI. That's wide open trigger on the regulator if you guys want to replicate my settings. But I'm going to go ahead and put a tack coat on this fender real quick, just kind of introduce this clear mix to the Rustoleum. and then we'll kind of gauge it from there. I don't know how much or how heavy I'm gonna put it on there, but like I said, I'm gonna try and give you more of an effect than full coverage. So anyways, let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is a spray out today. Dark gray and gloss black with both a dark blue pearl and a dark blue flake. Well, it's more of a medium blue, but either way, as far as the black goes, it kind of went midnight blue on me a little bit with the pearl, and then the flake really gives it that pop when the light hits it. The gray, the flake really stands out over the gray. It's kind of a ghost blue effect over that gray when the light hits it. The pearl almost dissipated just because it's so fine, and it just takes a lot to cover pretty much any color other than black. It's just the way pearl is. But anyways, guys, I hope I did it justice today. I did go minimal with my pigment loads, and hey, these are the results. So you guys let me know in the comments. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the best thing you've ever seen, and anywhere in between, and there's no wrong answers. If you made it this far in the video, I really hope you'll hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Drop me a like and comment. Let me know how I did today. And, of course, if you subscribe, you'll be entered for our 5,000 giveaway. We'll hit 5,000 subscribers soon, hopefully, if we haven't already. And when we do, I'm going to be giving away paint guns, pearls, some other prizes. And the only thing you need to do to win is be subscribed. Also, on the other end of it, if you want to buy anything you saw in this video, Amazon links in the description. As seen on YouTube, you can buy all the pearls, flakes, everything there, guys. And transparency, I get a little kickback, but it costs you guys nothing extra. And you get the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else. But that's going to be it for me today, guys. Be sure to drop me a comment. Let me know how I did. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Artworks. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless. And I'll see you guys on the next episode.